Drowning in scattered PDFs across departments? AI File Pro instantly organizes your chaos. See the chaos on the left? 61 files, impossible to find anything. On the right, AI File Pro transforms it into organized folders. Anthony Harris's case documents now discoverable in seconds. Watch AI File Pro analyze your files in real time. Advanced AI reads document content, creates intelligent summaries, and generates organized folder paths. Configure AI File Pro to automatically extract zip files and process their contents as individual documents. Enable this setting to streamline how your files are organized and classified instantly. Ask AI anything about your documents. Get detailed answers with source citations in seconds. Your team finds critical information instantly. No more endless searching. See your messy files transform into organized folders instantly with AI File Pro.